Namaskar. In today's lesson, we are going to learn Pranavalay song choreography part 1. Now let's do the first part. So we are going to divide that into 4 counts. So first 4 counts we are going to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. The another 4 counts we are going to keep the hastas like this, which we have learnt already. Kapitha, on the thumb you have to place your index finger. Okay, that is nearby your ear, above your shoulder. Okay, now we are going to split the feet and sit in Aravandi position. So as I explained in the class itself, this is a kind of Aravandi position you are looking at. So you have to keep your butt cheeks like crunched, open it from here and take 2-inch distance, 1 or 2 inch distance, and sit half of your height. That is Aravandi. And we are going to pick up the foot from the waistline, which is this. Okay, so here. And we are going to wait for 4 counts more. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 until here. So your right, you have to pick up your right. Let me do the mirror image here. Okay. Now place the right foot forward and then join with your right hand forward and left hand back like this, as if saying you. Okay. From here we are going to do the Namaskriya. If you are confused how to do the Namaskriya, you can check the YouTube video. Okay. So stamp right, stamp left, open your feet, open your hands, look at your hands, touch the ground, touch your eyes, and then up. So when you touch the ground and touch your eyes, where the Pranavalaya, the song starts. Okay. Now from here, once you reached here, the next line starts. On that, we are going to keep the right hand pataka and the left hand down latakya. Okay, so and also the right leg has to face the other side. So this is the movement which we are looking at. Okay, this one. As we discussed about the hip, it should not go too much out and all of that. So here we are. Then after this, we are going to pick up the other foot. So your left foot and join the hands above here. And if you can, bend a little bit forward. Okay. So the whole thing will look like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it until here. Now the Kamala Laya Shri Devi. We are going to do that part. This foot back. So if I have done this foot back and then raise the front foot. So let me show it to you this way. So you have picked up, placed it back, go on that foot and pick up this foot, your right. Okay, point it. We have discussed this. Do not pick it from here on your hip joint. It has to be in Aravandi position, and then you have to point it diagonally from your knee bend. Okay, like this. So we did this. Now with the hands, you can do this first. So close it and open. The other thing is you can use it this way. So we are going to pick up. The last position is here. Now the Kamala means lotus. Okay, so we are going to show the lotus to the left side. Do not bend your elbow. Bend your body a little bit to the side while placing the foot cross here. Kamalanaya. Now Shri Devi. So when you are picking up your foot, you are going to place your right hand. She born in the lotus, or she sits in the lotus. So this is going to be on the Alapadma. So it's going to be, let me turn and show it to you. This, and with your right foot feast, left hand Alapadma. This. Okay. Now, when you finished over here, You're going to place this foot down and pick up this. Yeah, kind of a leap you have to take. 1, 2, and we are going to do this movement. So just go on your toes and walk fast. Okay. So we are going to place the place the right foot, pick up the left and make a circle. Now we are going to have the flat hands, pataka, and as if something is sprinkling on you. Sprinkling on you like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and just blessing. You are going to show the blessing. So this is again pataka. You can curve it a little bit and show it on the hand. So the whole thing will look like this. So you picked up your foot. Kamalalaya Shri Devi Paripavara Karuna